Put the circle. Very good. What's that? That's oval. Very good. What's that? Diamond. Right here. Right here. Right there. Oh. What's that? Rectangle. Right there. What's that? That's half circle. Right there. Put it here. Put it there, anak. Come on. What are you watching? What's that? Who's that? Right here. Right there. Very good. What's that? The square. Very good. That's a star. Very good. What's the other one? That's a triangle. Yay! Want more? Okay, how you open? You open. How you open? Mommy can open. You hold it right there. Colors make me happy. What's that? Circle. Come on. Galing ah. Very good. What's that? That's a triangle. Oh no, that's a square. Right here. That's oval. Uh-oh. That's not a circle, Anak. That's oval. Right here. Right here. You put it there. Very good. What's that? That's a triangle. Oh, you dance now. Dance. Dance. That's half circle. Right there. You fix it. It's right there. Very good. What's that? Oh, you find it. That's a rectangle. Where's the rectangle? Right there. What's that? That's a diamond. Right there. Right there. Right there, Anak. Right there. Right there, Cassandra. Right there. Oh, you want to put the circle?
And what did you draw?
It's a teddy bear.
It's not gonna fit.
He looks nice and cuddly. And what did you draw, BJ?
A picture of me flying through outer space in a rocket ship.
Come on, hurry up.
Oh, how exciting.
Right there, diamond.
What did you draw, Barney?
Oh, I drew a picture of a farm. See?
Cool. If that's the farm, where are all
Right there, Mommy will help you.
Well, they're all
Right there.
excited.
Come on.
We're on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way to Grandpa's farm.
Down on Grandpa's farm, there is a
Very good. What's that circle?
Down on Grandpa's farm, there is a black and white cow. The cow, she makes a sound
What's
like
that?
this.
moo moo?
Very good. Oh, how do you open? Oh, you find it. How you open? You open. You can do that. Oh, you shake, shake, shake first. Come on, you shake, shake, shake. No?